Who's Dennem is going here now? As मुगे Dennem वयता to Eldon's place, and when Papa they were packing yesterday, I was feeling very emotional. I was not able to process that now in few days I'll be going to his place, Eldon's place. There'll be a change of my address. My way of saying to Mama I'm coming home will change to I'm going home. So still now I was not able to process that. And काल राती हांवें एल्डना फोन करून इतू स्वता ताका पूण it's just too much right now. It's getting in, sinking in की हें सगळें जाता आनी कितकोन हँडल करपा तें म्हाका खबरना.
Bless the humongous of the fear of Jesus. Hail Mary, full of grace, Lord, to bless the humongous of the fear of Jesus.
Rajesh?
Yeah.
What you're doing?
Please, hold on.
कोणा खातो आजी ते दोगांय गोबायलान पयल्या पाट केला मॉल स्टील डुईंग द आर्क म्हळ्यार बरें जालां ग्रीन एंड व्हाईट. ते मरे बाबा रा हिंगा रा नाइस काय घालपाना तुका हे नो पेपर पे नो Welcome, thank you.
Oye, no, pero